Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add multiple items into your wish list on AliExpress. If you are using AliExpress, just open your AliExpress app on your mobile phone and now you want to add multiple items in your wish list so that you can buy it later. For that, just open any item that you want to purchase. Let's suppose I will select one of them. When you open that item, here you can see at the bottom of the picture at the right side there is a hot option with 740 wish list already added. So please click on this hot option and here you can see added to wish list. When you click on this item has been added into your wish list. You can check your wish list. For that, click on this view all option. When you click on view all, you will be able to see your complete wish list. Here you can see there are 3 items in my wish list. So this is the way how you can add items or multiple items in your wish list on AliExpress.